Xandria, can I ask you to go first and maybe share a little bit about the Black in physics perspective, and if you were to generalize that beyond your own experience, but what you see in participating in that group, some takeaways you'd like this group to leave this conversation with.
Yeah, absolutely. So if y'all aren't familiar, Black in Physics stemmed from Black in Astro, which is mostly like happened on the Twitterverse almost, as a way to amplify and celebrate the voices of Black physicists and Black astronomers. We really followed the idea of Black Birders Week, which happened very, very early in the summer, again, to amplify and celebrate and normalize the idea of that one specifically, Black people who also bird and like do zoology and all kinds of wonderful things. And so one of the biggest takeaways that I think we were able to find with that is the number of people who are excited to engage with the community and who are open to learning about how we can recruit and retain specifically Black students through Black in Physics, and also create this wider community between Black physicists. Because like one of the most helpful things for me was my mentor, Dr. Eleanor Close, is white. And she always took the time to learn about what was going on. And like she would ask me a question, but also ask me, do you want to talk about this right now? Is this okay? Does it feel like I'm tokenizing you? And to be really, really mindful of like hearing and understanding my experiences. But she also did a fantastic job at connecting me with other Black women scientists and other Black people physicists for me to create this kind of community. So that was our big goal with the week, was to be like, hey, we're here. These are things that we're doing. We are here to be social. These are the amazing sciences that we are studying at Fermilab and doing astronomy work and astrochemistry and particle physics and all kinds of wonderful, amazing things that are happening. Like we are both holistic humans. We are Black people who are existing inside of this time, inside of 2020, now 2021. And we are also doing this amazing, amazing science. And we just wanted to celebrate that as a whole and hopefully connect to some younger students, younger or non-traditional students, to be like, hey, we are here, we are accessible on this Twitterverse. For you to come and talk to us if you have any interest inside of science, and also any interest about our experiences being Black inside of the field. It was wonderful. We're doing it again this year. It's going to be great. I'm very excited for it.
Xandria, thank you so much. I think one of the things you said in your presentation, and you just mentioned again, that really will stick with me, is the notion of getting together a community of other Blacks and Hispanics and whatever group we're in, but people of color. I think you mentioned it was a BIPOC group, if I'm not mistaken, of mentors, and that having that base of support and other people who you can talk with is such an important part of feeling supported during the process. So thank you for mentioning that.